It's gonna be hot.
Yes, but only for a second.
Oh, I might need that blood.
Your body makes more.
Oh. Well, will I be able to fly after this?
Yes. He can't fly now. Oh. Okay, ready?
Go ahead. Ow! Oh, ow!
Oh.
It's over, Big Bird. You were very good. Yes. Now I'm going to get you a ride to X-ray.
Can I go home now?
No, Big Bird, I'm sorry, not yet.
But Maria, they keep
It
pumping
ain't
at
me.
me and taking things. My blood, my temperature. They took my blood pressure twice. And I'm still not better. Oh, this is boring. And it's scary, too, a little. You won't go away, will you?
No, of course not. But